Hey my friend, welcome. My name is Lazuk and I'm from wearemarketer.com. So I am going to give you 50 plus landing pages for your campaign. So let's see how actually that's look like. So see, this is the one landing page and you will get so many variant of that landing pages. So see the purple color, see, and here have some another versions. Just go to this landing page design. See, this is really very awesome. Okay, so I'm going to show you another landing pages. See, this is another one, this is another one. All of the landing pages actually are very high converting landing page. See, this is the landing pages. So if you want to download these landing pages, then just enter your email. I will send you via mail. So thank you so much for downloading my templates.